information about things to do in Costa Rica, and not specifically the tourist activities, but more specifically the expat activities. We are expat, we live in Costa Rica, and today we will be doing a very specific activity. If you're coming with us, I'm going to show you exactly what it is. So, where are we going, Dirk?
To the Vivino, the garden center, because this rainy season got started. Trust me, it's wet. So, but it's the perfect time of the year to plant. So we're gonna get a whole bunch of fruit trees, because we have 197 mango trees, and over the years I want to change them and have some more variety. So I'm not sure what they have, but we'll see later.
Awesome. So here we are. We are almost at the garden center. There it is. This is our local garden center in Cobano, and it looks like this. So if you're wondering when is the best time to plant and stuff, let me tell you that in a bit. Hold on, let me show you just how it looks like when you drive in. This is how it looks like.
Hola.
Yes, so we are here. Before I'm gonna continue, I want to ask you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do that now. It's the best moment. You can do that by going in the description below and hit one of the links, or just tap the screen. You see a little photo, little icon, tap it and hit the bell icon so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. And I will touch on all my videos about my life in Costa Rica and everything that I've learned myself, and that can benefit you on your info search for Costa Rica, about Costa Rica. And yeah, I'm just excited to share everything that I am doing on a daily basis. So thank you. So gardening in Costa Rica is one of the things that most people do when they have a little piece of land, or they just, like nature and want to surround themselves, besides the beautiful country, with their own little garden, or if you have a terrace. And the month of May is the best month of the year to plant things, to put basically things in the ground. May is officially the start of the rainy season, and then it has up till dry season the longest time to grow. So here's the guy from the garden center, and we are going for fruit trees. That's our mission, because we have only mango trees on the land, and we want to have a little bit more diversity and plant some other fruit trees. So yeah, we're gonna see what they have. As you can see behind me, I'm gonna follow the guys, otherwise I get lost. So here are all the fruit trees, and he's showing us all the fruit trees that he has. They have mandarin, they basically all the fruit trees that you can imagine. From mandarin to rambutan, bananas, limonas. He named so many others that I almost already forgot. Look.
Verdwenen in een gat.
Oh, ja.
Die hebben we al.
De paarse, we hebben we al.
Alacrán.
Nous a mucho de ese y mucho de ese. So we're back at the car. We made a selection of I don't know how many fruit trees. You know, we have the luxury of space, so we picked fruit trees and just to garden. Basically, we see it as a part of our life to leverage, yeah, the space that we have, and we want to eat from our own land. So I think Costa Rica is not just about doing touristic things to do, but also when you live here, that you can eat from your own land, that you can plant your own fruits and that you can see it growing. Like we have also established our own veggie garden, actually Dirk did. And I think that's one of the amazing benefits of Costa Rica and things to do in Costa Rica is that fruit and food can grow very easily. And it's super to learn more about this stuff. And you know, while we always think this is our mindset or the way that we think and the way that we live, if you don't know anything about it, go to YouTube and find out, you know, how many space does a papaya tree needs, or how many sun does a guava tree need, and so forth and so forth. So this is just a way that we're going to do it. We ordered a ton of plants. How much did we spend on fruit trees, Dirk? 109,000 colones.
Yeah, about
that's more or less
almost $200.
$200 on baby fruit trees, and now we're gonna go home and find spots for papaya, mandarin, guava, berries, bananas, and tons of stuff that I've never heard about. So we're gonna keep you updated about that. But so far, I just hope that you enjoyed seeing what else you can do in Costa Rica than zip lining, surfing, all cool things. But I think life in Costa Rica, expat life in Costa Rica, can be amazing if you leverage all the resources that Costa Rica has. And yeah, there's just a lot of fun having, you know, learning and doing gardening, for example. So yeah, if you like my video, again, subscribe. If you like it, put your thumbs up. By the way, your lights are on.
And if you like me,
if you like Dirk, wave at him. And oh, by the way, I always say it by the way, or the PS, if you want to learn more about what it is that Dirk and I do that enables us to live in Costa Rica with a 100% online business, then click the first link in the description below to learn more about it. Yeah, we have a couple of steps waiting there for you, and it's interesting to look into it if you are looking for a way to move to Costa Rica but you don't know how to do it financially. It's possible for us. So we closed our laptops in the Netherlands and we opened them in Costa Rica, and there's lots of fun things to learn about that as well. That's also one of the things that you could do in Costa Rica. Suppose that you're vacationing here, dive into that training and learn more about affiliate marketing. So with that being said, thanks for watching again. This was Muriel from the Sunshine family from the Garden Center. Bye!